Security is being ramped up for CHAMPS 2026. The Jamaica Constabulary Force assuring the public this evening that strong measures are in place to keep patrons safe. Antonia Atkinson has our story.
For the next 5 days, thousands are expected to converge on the grounds of the National Stadium as high schools compete for athletic supremacy. But the Asa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships also present security challenges. Head of the JCF's Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEB, ACP Gary McKenzie insists the police are on top of it.
We know it's a time of emotions, it's a time of excitement. People want to enjoy themselves, but we have to do so in an organized way. And so we will try and see to that. Of course, persons have to be accredited. People have to have their tickets to enter. Anyone found to be breaching, we will intervene and they will be held with us. And if offenses are committed, then we carry out those actions. The general perimeter of the area will also be managed. Police officers as well as private security support will be there.
The ACP emphasized that illegal weapons will not be tolerated under any circumstances and that it remains a non-negotiable priority for the law enforcement. He's urging licensed firearm holders to adhere to the regulations in place.
So scissors, ice, pricks, any kind of sticks that could be construed to be a weapon, those
what about
things.
like umbrellas or?
Well, certainly no tall umbrellas and so on, but if we have those that are folded and are short, they may be considered.
Okay.
But it all depends on what is happening on the day and on the ground, because situations sometimes alter how we operate.
For sure. Fluid.
Right. So we will take care of those things.
Yeah.
Turning to traffic management, ACP Mackenzie says special attention will be given to the final day due to the expected increase in vehicular flow.
Certainly just before the event, Thursday going up to Saturday, a one-way system will be implemented.
Okay.
So from Tom Redcom Road up to the stadium, if you head in an easterly direction, that will be one way. From Mountain View along Arthur Wynne Drive towards the stadium, that will also be one way and will accommodate persons going into the car parks. Immediately in front of Statute Road, that area will be sterile only for pedestrians.
Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.